That's that one? Let's do it. It's not bad at all.
29.
Alright, so it's day 4. We are now working in my office. You can see the cars back there. Poor things, full of dust. Because we've been literally cutting sheetrock here all day long, but the top is getting started on. We just put some new sheetrock on that window. We got some guys helping us. There's gonna be a glass there where I can see on the outside into the garage, but you can't see in. And that's how it's gonna go. It's coming out. Whew. It is not easy. I super underestimated how long this was gonna take. Well, let's do it, right? Let's go all in. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to day 5. We're back here again. It's Sunday, and by the time I post this video, it probably won't be Sunday, but we are finally done with the drywall in the office. I keep saying this, and I will forever say this. I 100% underestimated how much work it would take to actually finish this office, right? Because I decided to build another office inside the garage. But, whew, it's a lot of work. We had some guys coming in and help us out. You can see my cars are filthy right now because of all the dust and all that. There's only a few cars here. There's more cars parked outside because, look at this. Look at the condition of the garage. There's wood everywhere. There's tools everywhere. There's drywall everywhere. I just want to be done with this so that I can get back to work. But let me show you guys a little bit of how this is coming out. And hopefully you guys enjoy the journey as much as I am, because doing the actual work sucks. But I can't wait to get this done so I can get back to work. So the guys already finished that wall. They plastered the whole wall. We took off all the ceiling. This light is brand new. I actually have to wipe it because it's nasty and dirty. We gotta put the trim around the door now. The floor is a absolute mess. Whew, as you can see, but it is coming out nice. This is going to be my office, which is the finance office. This right here is the front office, front facing to the street. And this will be the, I'd say like the sales or reception office for our customers. Man, this floor is gonna take so much work. So now, I have to go ahead and start clearing all this up. I don't have a floor scraper, so I have to use this little thing here and be on my knees for the next hour or so, which is absolutely gonna suck, but gotta do what we gotta do because it is Sunday and I want this ready by tomorrow so I can get the ball rolling. I'm tired of sitting here and just doing construction and not making money, so, but it's coming out nice. I'm happy with the outcome. And yeah, just wanted to document this journey for you guys to show you that nothing comes easy. It's a lot of hard work. Man, so much work, so much more than expected, but floors are down. We just painted the trim or the boards, the whatever the freak this is called, the shit, what is this called? What is this called? The boards? Floorboards? Whatever, the floorboards, right? The floor trim. We just painted that. The roof's a little open because my buddy was working on some electrical for us. And this light right here, they all look great, except this one that came in this box does not work. Shit. So here's the trim. We did the trim around the door. The color of our logo goes all around. Still gotta put some trim there, up there, all around this door right here, and down here. As you can see, outlets are still being worked on. There is a small little drip here that I gotta fix. And here too. Just roll. Now, floors are covered obviously because I'm a child and I make a mess. But the entire surrounding is done. This big ass hole right here, I'm either gonna put a glass there, this other hole here. I didn't know what I was gonna do at first. I was gonna put a sign of the company here, put some LEDs on it, have it pulse, make it look real cool. But my buddy gave me a great idea, which is to put a piece of wood there, put a bunch of hooks, a plastic on top that I can lock, and that's gonna be the key holder for all the cars at the dealership. So this is the outcome so far. As you can tell, floor is covered obviously. Walls are done, lights are in. And yeah, so after we're done here, we gotta get the furniture in. We're already running way behind schedule. This is still a mess in the garage. All the cutting tools are here. We got some boards, which we're gonna put back there. That's the wall we built for that office I just showed you guys. As you can see, all my vehicles are back there. Tons of wood here that we probably bought and don't need, but we'll figure that out later. And then all the mess and everything that's supposed to be in the office is outside. I gotta get new desks, because for my first office, I was using these little picnic tables because you gotta start somewhere, and your boy had zero cash to start, so I'm excited. I'm full of paint. I've been working probably a ridiculous amount of hours to get all this ready. All the cars are back there, super dusty, which entails detailing on every single one after we're done. But that's it, guys. Nothing comes easy, so show you the finished product as we start working on it, or as we keep working on it, and I will check back later. Ciao. I'm gonna show you guys, we finally got the AC units. I've been dying for the past there's Sean. Hi, say hi, Sean. We've been dying for the past like 7 days with no AC, cutting these walls and doing all this shit. So let me show you what it looks like now. So that's the door. The sign is gonna go there. We just hung up the TV. That's our AC unit. We're gonna tint both of these glasses for heat and burglar purposes. That's Maddie again. That's Sean. So finally got the TV up. Floors are in. Still getting everything ready and done. So finally.
One eternity later.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back. So today we finally finished our new office and garage, and we just picked up this beautiful 2012 Mercedes-Benz GLK 4MATIC, and it is a nice whip. But I want to show you guys how the office came out because I'm super excited. It is super dope, and let me give you a tour of our new house, even though we're still waiting on our new big sign to be put up there. So come with me, let me show you this. So pretty much, as you can see, we did all the trim in blue, which matches our logo. Still rocking the beer pong table because, you know, waiting on our new desk to come in. But this is where my lovely secretary sits at, and obviously we've got paperwork up there. We got some filing cabinets, some coffee juice for us to be able to, you know, gear up for the day and wake up in the morning. Got our handy little stack of oils and stuff like that. Our buddy Carfax is here with us because we are a Carfax Advantage dealer now. And then as we walk into my quarters, we got Mr. Kakzuski.
Come on, I'm not putting it.
Yes, you are, bro. This Polish guy said he drank a shitload of vodka, and then we went to the club and he passed out in like 2 seconds. And here is an as-is definition for all of our customers. Let's take a moment to read what that is. As-is means that the vehicle is being sold in the condition that it is at the time of the sale. The buyer accepts that repairs may be necessary, and the seller is not responsible for making or paying such repairs after the sale. Keyword, after the sale, but nobody clearly understands that because we are in Miami and nobody speaks English. So this is our quarters. That's our back there. You could fix your credit with us. This is a nice little car that I picked up for probably 400 bucks. Sweet little deal. As we walk down here, I've got this 2009 Honda Odyssey that just came in this week. It's 08 Scion TC, and as we walk down here, we've got this Lexus. Say hi, Isabel.
Hi.
She's a little camera shy, guys. And yeah, so this is pretty much where we store our cars. Got some more storage space in other places, but you know, we got some rims that we usually take off from cars that come in, and some cool stuff that usually when we buy cars they come with. So like you got this kicker sound system, and we've got this carbon fiber hood for a BMW 5 Series. And here you can see our tiny little fridge, tiny little microwave where we heat up our food. And here's a door to a rebuilt Nissan Maxima that I bought that was completely crashed. So we swapped that, but we sold that a long time ago. All right, guys, check it out. I'll see you guys for the next episode where we're probably gonna take a flip. And I actually got something special coming up for you guys. It's a challenge that I'm putting together, but I'm not gonna tell you guys about that just yet. So if you wanna find out what that is, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell where it lets you know when I upload new videos. With that being said, bye. Say bye, Isabooty. And we'll see you guys on the next one.